telephone, no instant dance, Nokia, no mass, video game, no full excitement. Do you even know how much your phone addiction is running on your life? You talk while driving and boom, an accident.
Hello, we are not gossiping. We are discussing serious family matter. What if there is an emergency? Should we send a PDN?
Last level. Meanwhile, you are frying the rice, head of real life.
Remark gaming, but outside Valda. One trip and you collect 50 infection.
So, sit at home and play chess or carom like a decent human.
Oh shit, nice joke man.
Keep this up. You are brewing a huge disaster.
Man, just walk away. Sit back and watch that killer stuff off my pattern.